Well, I'm standing down here in my sacred area. Thought I had something to say that was inspiring, but all I see is light. Light everywhere, as far as I can see. So, there goes the monkey mind, and I'm in pure bliss. It's just overwhelming. Really odd is, of course it's nature, but they're all coming together. They're all trying to be one. As usual. I know you're tired of me saying it. But I'm grateful for all the light. It's just flowing. It's just. Well, last night I learned I lost a friend to cancer. Daniel, and if you were around the man, all you did was laugh, because he was just one big ball of joy, just flopping all over you. So you couldn't get mad at him. There's nothing you could do but just smile and laugh, and he just brought every moment into his life joy, and he was such a sacred soul that I am honored to have met in this lifetime. My best, Daniel.